Writing product documentation is probably one of the most time-consuming parts of product management, like writing PRDs, FRDs, user stories, and a lot more. But what if I told you that you could skip all the manual work and generate these documents just from your UI designs or wireframes? In this video, I'm going to share the best AI tools that can help you create clean, detailed product documents in just minutes. All you have to do is just upload your UI designs and all the documentation you need will be generated for you. It's fast, accurate, and it can make your entire product team more efficient. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. The first tool on the list is GravityDoc. This tool is designed for product managers who want to automate their documentation process. It analyzes your UI screens and generates all the documentation your team needs without any manual writing. So here's how it works. Just click the link in the description, click on GravityDoc for free, and sign in with your Google account. Let's say you want to add a new feature or a module to your software product, and you already have the wireframes or the UI designs for this feature. Something like this, a Figma design or UI images like this. If you have a Figma design, just export all the frames from the design like this and extract them. Now we have all the UI images right here. This means we can now create a documentation. To create the documentation for this feature, which has all these multiple UI images, let's go back to gravitydoc.ai, click on Create New Feature, give it a name, and here, if you want, you can give some details about the feature. Then click on Create. Now here we can upload our UI screens or the wireframe images. So I'm going to add the images that I exported from our Figma, and click Next. Now here, what GravityDoc does is, it will analyze each screen, write a short description for each image, and now we have got the result. As you can see, it has given us a short description for each image, and also it automatically arranged the images in the right order as the user would go through it. And it has also grouped the images which are part of the same screen together. So for example, these pop-ups are on this page, so it has grouped them together. And as you can see, every description here exactly matches what we see in the image. And also it has given us the title for each of these images. Okay, so now let's go to the next step called Create User Flow, where we will analyze all the images together and create a single document which covers all the features and how a user will use this application end to end. Now this is also called as a user flow document, and as you can see here, it has covered all the features and the requirements based on the application UI images that we uploaded earlier. Now let's go to the next step, where it will describe the components or the elements found in each screen and how they need to work. And as you can see here, all the components of the elements on each screen is being described in detail along with their functionality. These details are going to be useful for the upcoming steps that we are going to see next. So now once we have completed this step, we can now use all the tools that are available here. For example, you can create the user stories, the API documentations, test cases, PRDs, FRDs, and so on. First, let's create the user stories. I'm going to click here, then click on Generate User Stories. And as you can see, it has used the documentation that we provided earlier to break it down into user stories, which can be used by the development team. And when we click on each user story, you can see the detailed information about it inside. So this can be exported to Jira, Linear, or Motion so that you can manage your tasks there. Also, GravityDoc offers specialized tools for every role on your team. For example, product owners get the user personas and requirements, developers will get access to the API documentation and database schemas, and testers are provided with test plans and test cases. A really useful tool is the API documentation, where it takes the initial documentation that we created, and based on that, it can create the API endpoints that needs to be created by the backend team. So all these documents can be generated based on your designs. With a free plan, you can document one feature set which can have multiple images. So go ahead and give it a try. So we are going to go to the next tool on our list, which is called ProductMonkey. This is another tool for turning your UI designs into full-fledged product documentation. Just like GravityDoc, you have options for uploading your UI screens, or you can also paste your Figma design URL directly. Once your designs are in, you need to describe each screen manually. You can add a few words about the screens, and after you add your descriptions, you can choose exactly what kind of documents you want to generate. User stories, acceptance criteria, detailed description, test cases, and more. Then if you click on Create New Tickets,
ProductMonkey creates all the documents you've selected neatly organized and ready to use.
The last tool on the list is Figflow. It helps you turn your Figma designs into product documentation. And now in Figflow, you only have the option to upload your Figma designs. So first, you need to connect your Figma account.
And you can do that by clicking on Connect to Figma. Then create a new project and paste your Figma design link. So go to your Figma design. This is the design that I've already created for my app. Now click Share. Copy the link. Go back. Paste it here. And once you've added the link, fill in these details and click Save and Continue. As you can see, your Figma designs are listed here. You need to select the ones for which you want to generate the documents. And once you select that, your UI screens will be shown here. Now you can start creating the user stories by clicking here. As you can see, it has generated the user stories based on the screens. So just click on it. If you scroll down, you'll see the options to generate more documents like acceptance criteria, test cases, and you'll need to manually select what type of document you want to generate for each screen. You can also set the status for each screen and assign a priority level, which helps keeping everything organized.
Now that we've seen the best 3 AI tools for product managers, let's quickly compare all these 3 tools so that you can choose the one that best fits your team. Let's start with the user stories.
GravityDoc gives you the most detailed ones. It automatically generates acceptance criteria and multiple documents in one place. ProductMonkey also does a good job, but the quality depends on how well you describe the screens. Figflow gives you simple user stories, but they are more basic and screen focused. Next, let's look on the export options. GravityDoc makes it super easy to share. You can export everything directly to Notion with just a single click, with Jira and Linear coming soon. ProductMonkey also supports Jira and Linear exports. Figflow doesn't have the direct platform integrations yet, but it lets you export everything to CSV so you can move things around manually if needed. Now coming to pricing, GravityDoc offers a free plan that provides one project and one feature. If you want more, the Pro plan costs $20 per month for 5 features per user. ProductMonkey also offers a free version which includes up to 20 tickets and 1 PRD per user per month. And its paid plan starts at $9 per month. Figflow gives you 250 free credits to try things out. And you can upgrade to the Pro plan for just $9 per month with unlimited projects and usage. Finally, let's look at the type of documents each tool can create. GravityDoc is the most complete. It generates user flows, API docs, database schemas, user personas, test plans, and even UI UX specs. ProductMonkey focuses on core product docs, user stories, test cases, PRDs, and feature specs. Figflow gives you the user stories, test cases, personas, and something they called info bases, which help organize screen level details. Just try them out and see which one works for your team.
So that's it guys. These are some of the best AI tools for product managers, and I've added all the tool links in the description below. So try them out and comment below with your favorite one. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.